The Marker Hall lives at Westfield IKEA. I mean, IKEA Westfield. Oh look, button thing is falling off. That's typical for these buttons, they're so fragile. LCD, of course. Doors closing. These ones level like 10 times better than the car park ones somehow, for some reason. I'm gonna do 2 rides on each one. So send this one back down to 1. Then get the other one. Oh wow, that 3 doors very well. Okay. Let's get the other one, hopefully that one doesn't reopen.
Going down, doors closing.
Doors closing. These panels loose a little bit.
Third floor.
Shit.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna put it here. I don't want to break it anymore. Wow, those are so fragile. Jeez.
Doors opening.
Why do they make those so fragile?